What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this 2024 SEA Ray 210 SPX. Come meet me on the boat. Now that we're on the 210 SPX, you'll see that this boat has max horsepower here, 200 horsepower. That's a V6 Mercury outboard in white. That is upgraded to go to the white as well. Now you have the ski tow pylon here, great for people who like water sports. Nice bench sheet across the back. You have the sea deck underneath our feet here. This is upgraded as well. Feels great underneath your feet. As you walk into the cabin, you have this storage compartment here. You also have access to your battery switches. Moving forward, there's another smaller storage space. Storage underneath all the seats. Great touch by SEA Ray. You can never have too much storage on a boat. This is the stone interior. You can also do brown or white. There's a spot underneath the bench sheet here where you can tuck a cooler underneath. Plenty of cup holders throughout the boat. Got two over here on the starboard, two on the port, two up by the helm, as well as one right over there on the port side by the windshield. Now this is a little bit newer design by SEA Ray. This is a two-position lounger. You can either have it facing aft like this. People want to lay down here and face aft, or you can simply lift up, slide it back. It's going to give you seat facing forward, the co-pilot. And of course, more storage underneath the seat. You have Fusion speakers throughout the boat, as well as your Fusion radio right here at the helm. Simrad electronics. It's a nice acrylic dash. Looks beautiful. Now at the helm here, you have the captain's chair, which is bolstered. So either you can have it up like this, you can sit above the windshield, or you can drop it down and you're just right at windshield height, where this is going to protect you from the wind when you're driving. Now you can see the cup holders I was talking about, one down here as well as one up here. You have some phone charging ports here, as well as down here. All your switches, like I mentioned, the Simrad electronics, your Fusion radio. You also have the throttle on your right-hand side. In the throttle, you also have active trim. Now, more storage in the deck in the center. Very large storage compartment. Could fit just about anything you want down there. Maybe some water toys, stuff that you're going to keep on the boat long term. On the port, we have another storage compartment here. It's about the size of this area. You want to open up, we put all the covers in there, for example. That could be another spot for your covers or bags. Another cup holder on the port here. This is actually a lockable storage compartment. I got my cell phone in there right now. There's also another port here to be able to charge your cell phone. Nice little touch by SEA Ray. So also the windshield can also be closed. Simply goes like this. You can lock it in place. If you want to block more wind from the cockpit area, or be stowed up like what it was. Now in the bow area here, everyone's favorite part, we get the best view of the house. You can get a filler for the centerpiece, make this a sun pad. More cup holders down here. Also throughout the boat, you've probably noticed there's these courtesy lights. There's one up here in the bow as well, so you still get lighting up here. Plenty of handles. The beautiful stitching by SEA Ray, which I'm sure you guys have noticed that's been throughout the boat. More stitching on the side here. This is actually an upgrade, otherwise you just get fiberglass and then 2 more Fusion speakers up here so you can still enjoy the music when you're up on the bow. If you want to come see this boat, swing by MarineMax Jupiter or call us today. Don't forget to ask for Chad.